Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has hit back at Uddhav Thackeray for his claim. Shinde says there is no voter fraud, no bogus voting. We are vigilant against malpractice. Mahayuti rejects ink deletion claim as Shinde says Uddhav claim is false. Let's listen into what Eknath Shinde had to say.
होना चाहिए, इसीलिए तो पोलिंग एजेंट हर पार्टी के वहाँ रहते हैं, हर पार्टी के पोलिंग एजेंट वहाँ रहते हैं। अगर हमको पता चलता है कि ये बोगस है तो उसका एक उसके पास आईडी होगा तो दूसरा पहचान पत्र उससे मांग सकते हैं और आरओ को कह सकते हैं ये बोगस है, इसे दूसरा आईडी प्रूफ मंगाओ। तो ऐसे करके वो बोगस वोटिंग नहीं होगी, नहीं होनी चाहिए। बोगस वोटर को वहाँ पर अब जैसे उसके ऊपर जो पोलिंग एजेंट है वो लेंगे तो उसको वोटिंग करनी।
Vidya is continuing on this story with me. Vidya, Mahayuti is rejecting this ink deletion claim. We just heard what Eknath Shinde also had to say. He's saying that multiple ID cards, ID proofs are being looked at to ensure that there is no bogus voting. But we've seen this happening, Vidya, over the last decades when cases of bogus voting have come out in the country in various areas, and which is why stricter provisions were to be implemented. What are you picking up from the ground when it comes to voters? What are the voters saying and what is the EC saying? Vidya.
Well, there are cases when, the ECI has had to not just do it once but multiple times, even during various other elections. Like recently we had seen during the Bihar election as well, there were such allegations that were put up about this ink not really, leaving its mark and getting erased from the fingers of voters. The ECI at that time too had, downplayed it, saying very clearly that no such thing happened. But again, it's the same routine that we are seeing wherein allegations are being leveled. Of course, the ECI, the government, all of them, those in the power, certainly, saying that nothing like this really exists and that there is a system wherein when someone goes into a voting center, there are places, you have to show your I-card, they tick mark the person who has come, who has not come. So there are, multiple tables at a particular place, and the person has to go through, the voter has to go through all these places before really casting his vote. So it is, as the ECI or the State Election Commission has been saying, this system is not really, as
all right, Vidya, stay on with me for a moment. Let's listen in once more to what the politicians are saying. Remember, the Thackeray brothers have raised a very serious voter fraud charge, saying that indelible ink is being wiped off. Of course, that is being rejected by the EC and the Mahayuti. Let's listen into what the politicians have said on this issue.
बाईचं नाव रवींद्र असेल का, पुरुष मतदाराच्या नावाच्या पुढे बाईचा फोटो, ह्याच गोष्टी आम्ही मोर्चा काढून सांगितल्या होत्या, निवडणूक आयुक्तांच्या समोर ठेवल्या होत्या. त्याच्यानंतर शाई पुसल्या जाण्याच्या तक्रारी येत आहेत. तर हे सगळे निवडणूक जिंकण्यासाठी यांचा आटापिटा चाललेला आहे. बोटावरची शाई तर पुसली जातेच आहे, असे प्रकारे यापूर्वी कधी झाले नव्हते.
येन केने प्रकारे निवडणुका जिंकायच्या आणि त्याच्यासाठी जे काही वाटेल ते करता येईल त्याच्या सगळ्या गोष्टी सरकार आणि प्रशासन. परंतु आता हे मशीन आणलंय, हे मशीन कोणत्याही राजकीय पक्षाला दाखवलेलं नाहीये. पण हे मशीन आणल्यावरती त्याचं क्लॅरिफिकेशन, त्याची स्पष्टता ही निवडणूक आयोगाने द्यायची, ते देत नाहीयेत. मागितल्यानंतर पत्र पाठवल्यानंतर पण ते देत नाहीयेत. आणि आज तर अजूनच वेगळं काहीतरी की बाबा आजपर्यंत ती इंक लावली जायची, बरं का, आता काहीतरी नवीन पेन आणलंय आणि ते पेन मध्ये इतक्या तक्रारी सगळ्या बाजूनी येत आहेत की तुम्ही बाहेर पडल्यावरती त्याला जर सॅनिटायझर लावलं तर ती शाई जाते.
तो पोलिंग एजेंट तो उनके भी है ना, सभी पार्टी के पोलिंग एजेंट है. डबल वोटिंग करने का तो उसको ऑब्जेक्शन देना चाहिए. और चुनाव आयोग ने उसका स्पष्टीकरण भी दिया है और मैंने भी चुनाव आयोग के अधिकारियों से पूछा है तो उन्होंने कहा कि 2012 से ये इंक का यूज करते हैं. पहले सिर्फ वो इससे लगाते थे, इंक बॉटल से, आज वो डायरेक्ट लगाते, लेकिन इसमें मार्कर से. लेकिन मेरा इतना ही है कि वो जो मतदान प्रक्रिया है पूरी तरह ट्रांसपेरेंट रहे और कोई भी तरह का शव उस नागरिकों को कोई भी उस पर शक ना आए, ऐसी प्रक्रिया चुनाव आयोग ने करनी चाहिए और कोई भी इसमें से वंचित ना रहे वोटिंग से। सभी लोगों का वोटिंग का अधिकार जो है वो उनको मिलना चाहिए।
And Vidya continues to be with me on this story. Vidya, the political voices are in now. We've seen what the Thackeray brothers are saying. We've seen what Eknath Shinde is saying. What are you picking up from the ground? What are the voters saying about this? Is this something that is a concern for the voters?
Well, it certainly is a concern for the voters. I mean, they don't want someone, putting out fake votes, just for a political party. Everyone believes that, all those people who are voting should have, who have a right to vote, should be the ones and going ahead and voting, and not someone who does not really have a right to vote should cast their vote to probably, just transfix the entire system into something else. But of course, the Election Commission assuring the people that, no such action will be taken, that there are measures in place to ensure that no such bogus voting really happens as is being claimed by the opposition.